Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, May 29th, and I'm going to be analyzing the pound US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on the pound dollar, I'm still thinking that this is either going to go up and make a running flat wave C or possibly an expanding flat wave C. Either scenario, it's not that big of a deal to know yet. A running flat wave C would make a lower high on the wave B and wave A. An expanding flat would make a higher high. But as at this point, either way, it should lead to a pretty big uptrend on the shorter time frames. Heading down to the weekly time frame, I still think that this is the end of a wave 2 right here. That makes this right here wave 1. I still think that would make this right here wave 2, and I still think this is very likely in a wave 3, and I think it's very likely to continue to make those higher highs, higher lows, especially on like the daily and weekly time frame. Heading down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, I still think it's very clear that we're at a wave 3. I think this is impulsive up 1. I think we had an expanding flat wave 2. And I think we are most likely in a wave 3. No breaker structure yet. No lower high. Still no evidence that the wave 3 is over. Most wave 3s do go to the 161.8, so I'm definitely still very bullish, and I still think that this is going to keep on trending up on this daily time frame, continuing to make those higher highs and higher lows. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, based on that daily, there's definitely no reason to think that this is going down in any significant way. This move down is probably just a crutch into the uptrend, and it's probably going to continue to make those higher highs, higher lows on the daily time frame, pushing up to at least that 61.8 Fibonacci extension to finish off what I think is a 1, a 2, and a wave 3. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame, like I said, I think we're going up to at least the 61.8% Fibonacci extension level on the daily. We're actually not even to the 138 yet, so I'm definitely still very bullish. Now this right here kind of looks like it could possibly even already have made an ABC crutch, and it kind of almost looks like 3 waves down, maybe 3 waves up, and then 5 waves down. We definitely do have a breaker structure, which either way you would think that this would make a push up, could possibly make a lower high and go down and make more of a proper ABC crescent like this before it continues up. But with the fact that we're in a wave 3 on the much higher time frames, makes me think that this could already have ended in ABC crescent, and that this potentially could keep on making those higher highs, higher lows. Either way, I'm definitely looking for longs, and I'm definitely going to continue to look for longs at the end of these pullbacks, especially on these shorter time frames. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And if you're interested in my membership, definitely make sure you check out my website, fxpipcollector.com. As always, thank you and happy trading.